Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the assembly of all the components we just made for this fixing device. So let's begin. First we'll have to open a new SolidWorks document, select here assembly, press here OK. And now from here let's browse for all the documents. The block, bushing, and the knob and the pin and the screw. Let's here open. And let's insert all of them. These are all. Let's make here plain white. And now let's start the assembly. If this one was the first for you too, then it should be fixed. If not, make this one fixed and make the other one floatable. We can see here float. We can see here fix. Alright, and now let's begin. We're gonna need two of these. So with Control pressed, left click and drag it. And now we have two of them. Let's select this face with this one, select here concentric. Okay, do the same for this one. Select this face with this one, select here coincide. Do the same for this one. Coincide. Nice, and now let's assemble this. We'll select this face with this one, select here concentric. Okay, and to make sure that this is not going too much up or too much down, we can add here, select this face with this one and select from here this one, this mate, distance. And the distance we can make it 12 and it's going to stay at 12 millimeters and it's only going to rotate. We can also add a mate which it limits the movement. It's going to move only 10 millimeters up and down, not more than that, or whatever value you want. Okay, now let's add this knob. So first select this face with this one from the screw, select here concentric, and now let's make this face with this one also concentric, and I'll have to add the pin. So select the face from the pin with this face, press here concentric. Okay, let's try to drag this pin out. And now let's see how we can make it to stay inside. First, let's right click on this and select here change transparency. And let's try to select this face with this edge. Okay, select this face with this face. Select here tangent. Reverse here the mate and it should come all the way here. And now this is good. Now let's change the transparency back for this knob. And let's see, when we rotate the knob, the pin should stay in place. And it's staying right there. Nice, and this was the assembly. This was all the components we made and we just assembled them. This is the tutorial for today. I know it's a short one, but time it doesn't allow me to make longer and more complicated tutorials. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.